Hi, I'm Archer back with another video and it's about downloading and installing AutoCAD on Windows. So let's start after the intro, and before that make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends to help them, and do subscribe. First we'll search Autodesk. We'll go to the second link, then we'll just sign in with our Autodesk ID. Enter the email ID, then password. After signing in, you are good to go. Just click on support, then download and download your software. Then go to all products and services. Like we need AutoCAD, so we'll just install it and click on accept. It will ask where to download. As you can see, I have already downloaded, so I'm going to cancel it. And this is already downloaded. Just open it, click on yes. It's preparing for installation. And make sure that you have enough data, around 5 GB, before downloading it. After completing 64%, you can actually start the product itself, but we'll install, we'll wait until it's finished. After completing the installation, we can start AutoCAD. After starting, sign in again with your Autodesk ID. So do that. email ID and password. Okay. Now you have the genuine Autodesk in your Windows completely installed. Thank you.